In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare IIS to install the reporting website on your machine. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is let's take a look at the support website, support.netaphor.com. If you scroll down to reporting website, configuring IIS, there is this article, preparing IIS for the reporting website install. And if you take a look at this article, it basically explains to you how to go into the turn on Windows features and which options need to be enabled for IIS. Okay, so here's the IIS services under web management to get the console, various things like this. Okay, so you'll want to follow this diagram and make sure that you have all these features enabled prior to installing the SiteAudit Reporting website. So let's just go ahead to the Add Remove Programs. Here we are, and we're going to go to Turn Windows Features On or Off. Once we do that, it brings up this Server Manager dialog if you're running on a server. And we'll just click through here the defaults until we get to the web server. Okay, so expanding the web server, you can see the various areas here that correspond to this diagram. And so we'll just expand each of these and make sure that we have the appropriate items selected. Okay, once you're done with that, you'll just click through next and make sure that everything gets installed. And I'm going to cancel, I already have that done. But at this point, now you are ready to install the reporting website.